Dear students, welcome to the fourth week of the course on Scientometrics. You learned about library use studies during the third week. This week, you would learn about obsolescence of literature. The study of obsolescence in practical terms is related to changes in the use of documents over a period of time. Lyon and Sanderson in 1974, Jane in 1966, Kent and others in 1979 in their Pittsburgh study, and Fussler and Simon in 1969 attempted to prove the hypothesis that use decline over time. Lyon and Sanderson, however, argued that this hypothesis is yet to be tested and it should not be made a starting assumption. Brooks in 1970 claimed that decline of a use over time conforms closely to a negative exponential distribution. He hypothesized that the number of references to an issue is a function of its age, and he assumed that it is a geometric distribution. Geometric distribution can be explained by a function P of t is equal to 1 minus a into a to the power of t. T lies between 0 and infinity, a lies between 0 and 1. P of t is the probability mass function to an issue of the journal of age t years. If R references are made to a given periodical during its first year of life, then AR references can be expected during its second year. A square R can be expected during its third year, and so on. We shall discuss similar and other related concepts in this week.